Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Starfield where the game lags, stutter and even the game freezes after the recent Windows update. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in a simple step, I suggest you, if you have installed this game into an HDD, make sure to move the game to an SSD disk. By moving the game onto a SSD disk, simply resolve the issue for you. Now let's proceed with the next step. In next step, right click on Start menu and choose the option Device Manager. Here you need to expand your display adapter. This special step is only for the NVIDIA users. You need to right click on NVIDIA GPU and choose the option Properties. Here click on the driver tab, and if rollback driver option is available, make sure you choose the option rollback driver. Else, head over to your browser. Here is the official website for NVIDIA. Scroll down, select your product series, select your operating system. After selecting the options, hit the Start Search button. Scroll down and you will find the driver version right over here. From here, make sure you download the driver version 539.99 because the latest driver version, which is 537.34, is the another cause for Starfield lag, stutter and even the game freezes. So make sure you download this particular version by clicking on the option Get Download. Once downloaded, install these drivers into your system by clicking on the option Download Now. As soon as the drivers are downloaded, you can easily run these drivers and install these drivers to fix out the issue of Starfield lag, stutter and freezes, especially after the update. Now if this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the third step. In third step, open up your Steam or Game Pass wherever your game is installed. My game is installed on the Xbox. So in the Xbox, click on the game, click on this three dot button and choose the option Manage. Here, click on the File tab and click on the option Browse. Open Starfield, open Content folder, and here you will find an exe file with the name Starfield. You need to right click on it and choose the option Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab. Here, check mark the option Disable Full Screen Optimization. Hit Apply and OK button. In case of Steam, right click on your game, click on the option Manage and click on the option Browse Local Files. Again here you will find the exe file, right click on it and choose the option Properties, and in the Compatibility tab check mark the option Disable Full Screen Optimization. Hit Apply and OK button. Now close it. Now go ahead and try to launch and play the game to fix out the issue of Starfield lags, stutter and freezes after the recent update. Now if this method also failed to work out, in next step, right click on Start menu and choose option Run. Type here appwiz.cpl and then hit the enter key. Here click on the option View Installed Updates. Here all the latest updates that you have installed will be available right over here. From here you need to uninstall the update with the name KB 5030219 and KB 5031217. I have already uninstalled both the updates, and that is the reason I have come up with this particular tutorial to fix out the issue of Starfield lags and freezes after the recent update. After finding the update, simply click on the option Uninstall and this will uninstall both the latest update installed by the Windows. After uninstalling, go ahead and relaunch the game to fix out the issue of Starfield lag, stutter and freezes after the recent update. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.